My name is Jamie. Today I'm going to show you how to change the batteries in your HUE light switch. I know that my batteries need to be changed, and sometimes the light will be blinking orange right here, and then also in the corner there where you see the green light, sometimes that will be orange. So that's how you know, but also you may know by looking at the app itself. So on your phone, go into your HUE app, and we're going to go down to the lower corner where it says settings. We're going to click on accessories. And once we are in accessories, you can see, for example, this relaxation station light switch says low battery. A pro tip for you, have a plate, or in this case I'm just using a paper plate. You can use a kitchen plate. So anything that can be your capturing vessel for this tiny switch. So we're going to lay it face down. I've got a tiny little screwdriver here, and this is one you would use for your glasses, eyeglasses. You might have one around for other small projects around your house as well. And you can see how tiny that screw is. And then you can see that we've got a 2450 Durrcel battery. Now notice this battery is facing out, so we're going to take this battery out. And let's just see when the last time we changed this. 2 years ago, 2019. So I'm going to write the date on my new battery and pop it back in. That way I can see about how long these are lasting. And in my experience, they last about 2 years. And I do recommend buying good quality batteries no matter what battery. Now you can see in the corner that my light switch is working. Just gently hold that in, putting pressure straight down for about 3 seconds. The lights will blink on the front, letting you know that that's working. And that's also a way that you might need to repair it, using the repair and then the reset button in your app. So hope this helps. If it did, please hit like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.